Are you ready to take your online presence to the next level? Welcome to this exciting journey into the world of web hosting services. In today's digital age, having a website isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a seasoned professional, or a creative artist, a robust online presence is key to success. But with the internet constantly evolving, how do you ensure your website is not just up and running but also thriving? The answer lies in choosing the right web hosting. Understanding web hosting. Let's start by understanding what web hosting is. Think of web hosting as your website's home on the internet. It's the place where all your website files, data, and content are stored securely, making it accessible to users worldwide, 24/7. There are various types of web hosting, each catering to different needs. From shared hosting for beginners to dedicated hosting for high-traffic websites, there's a solution for everyone. Now, let's dive into why choosing the right web host matters. Speed, security, reliability, and support, these are the pillars of a successful website. A top-notch web host ensures your site loads quickly, stays secure, and is backed by reliable customer support. Imagine running an e-commerce business with a slow website. Frustrating, right? Your web host can make or break your online business. And in today's cyber landscape, security is paramount. A reputable web host employs robust security measures, safeguarding your data and your visitors' information. Our recommended web hosting service. So, which web hosting service do we recommend? After extensive research and testing, we're excited to introduce you to SiteGround and Bluehost. With lightning-fast servers, bank-level security, and 24/7 customer support, SiteGround is the perfect partner for your online journey. But don't just take our word for it. Hear what our satisfied customers have to say. How to get started. Ready to get started SiteGround and Bluehost? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Visit their website, choose the hosting plan that suits your needs, and hit the Get Started button. From there, you'll have access to a user-friendly control panel where you can manage your website effortlessly. It's time to take your online presence to new heights with SiteGround and Bluehost. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of web hosting services. Remember, your website's success starts with choosing the right host. Don't wait. Visit SiteGround and Bluehost website today and embark on the path to online excellence. Click the link in the description below to learn more and get started. Until next time, happy hosting!